Hey friends, welcome to the Windows universe. I am also an author with Windows latest and I have tested sudo lately, which is an excellent feature. So I'll show you what sudo does. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to this option which says for developers. Now scroll down to this option which says enable sudo and click on the download pointing arrow associated with it. It is off by default. I'll switch it on and it will need administrator permissions. Now we have three options here. The first one is to use it in a new window, second one with input disabled, and the third one is inline. Now I'll select the first option which is in a new window. When we open command prompt, we have two options, either to open it as a regular window or open it as an administrator. So if we did not open the console as an administrator but sudo is enabled, in this case let us say that I want to execute a command sfc forward slash scan now. This is a command for the elevated command prompt window. It says that you need to be an administrator to run it. But all I need to do is prefix the word sudo and then hit the spacebar. sudo spacebar sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter. We'll have to click on yes. It will ask for an administrator prompt and it will open a new window. And in the new window, the new elevated command prompt window, the SFC scan will be running. But as you can see, I cannot enter the command in this new window. Okay, so this is one. Now I will change it to the next option with input disabled. Let's see what happens in this case. I'll close it and I'll open it once again. Now I'll type sudo space sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter and it will ask for that administrator prompt. I click on yes and it will initiate the sfc scan. It did not in this case, but it does. I have already tested it. The third one is inline. Okay, I'll switch it off. I'll switch it on. I'll say yes and I'll change it to inline. I'll open the command prompt window. I'll type the word sudo space sfc space forward slash scan now. I'll hit enter. It will ask for administrator permissions. I'll click on yes and it will initiate the sfc scan. I hope this is interesting. If it is, then please let us know in the comment section of this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We really need subscribers. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.